Only me. What's going on, guys? This is my wife. This is C Moody, and I am the chef homie for my first episode ever. I didn't try to look overdressed. It literally just came from the program that I was super late for. Besides that, first thing we're gonna make is teriyaki noodles using the clutch pieces. Oodles or noodles. What you call them, babe?
Top ramen.
She lying. She called them oodie noodies. So, what you need is... Alright, I ain't gonna act like we need a lot of special stuff besides what's already in the pack. But if you're making my teriyaki noodles, you gotta have good old Lawry's teriyaki sauce. And if you know me, you know everything tastes better with some cheese. Let go. Ooh, I didn't know I could do this. So what we got, you already know, traditional. Heat up that pot of water. You get your things. Don't put it right here because that's gonna get hot. I just want y'all to see it. Bam. Now we're gonna let this boil first. And I decided not to wait till it fully boiled. As long as I start seeing some steam, we about to get into it. Yo, now, what we gonna do, pop this. Ooh, get that, get out of here. And if you is a healthy somebody like myself, you gonna put 2 of these things in here. Don't worry if the top one ain't in the water yet. When it start to get in there, we gonna make it happen. Now, as we typically know, with each top ramen pack of noodles comes a pack of flavor. And of course, I got chicken. So that means pack number 2, flavor pack number 2. But with me, you only need 1. Trust me, between this and that teriyaki sauce, too much. Too much. Ooh. Sometimes we have some casualties. Rest in peace, brother. I know y'all was thinking, how that little pot gonna fit both of them packs? Like this. Oh. You gotta drain it. No more noodles left behind. Get all the, oh! Ha! Thought I took a spill, but I didn't. Don't be like me. Make sure you turn your eye off. Now, I was gonna use a plate, but since we're doing this officially, we're gonna use a bowl. Now, what I like to do to get everything in blended, I only get about a good portion. If you can make it halfway, figure it out. About half the noodles in, you find your border. They acting difficult, you gotta put that thing back in there. Boom, half of it, you heard? And now, what we gonna do, piece of this cheese, gonna put that right there, cause I forgot. We gotta add some onion powder, cause, I don't know, my mama used to do it. That might've been too much. Boom, chicken flavor. Remember, we added too much. That's why you don't need nothing but 1 pack. Get that little thing. Now, cheese. Now, you finish, throw the rest of that thing in there. Get it all in there. All of it. All of it. And now, do the same thing. Onion powder. Boom. Finish off your little seasoning powder, you know, get that. And then, cheese. And then, you go ahead and start stirring this thing together. Ooh, look at that cheese about to melt. Now, just got it fresh. You see, it ain't open yet. Boom, we about to. Ooh, watch this. Boom. bum, bum, bum. Now you keep that thing going. Let that thing get good and sit. Ooh. And bam. Now, for this, since I went from a plate to a bowl, I'm about to do this. Boom. Yeah, that's right. And if you're real and you Google how to do it, it's like, no, I actually looked on a pack of wooden chopsticks from the restaurant on how to pick them up. You get that thing. Smack. And that's how you make some good old chef homies teriyaki noodles. All that's left now for some good old mouth action. Be ready for deliciousness. Be easy. I forgot. Make sure you put back what you took. And stay hydrated, people. Chef Homie was not made in front of a live studio audience.